What's up, Blockheads? Today we're going to be working on the 2019 FXDR, basically a Harley-Davidson Softail model. And today we're going to be doing a how-to video on how to change out the foot pegs. And we're going to be swapping them out with some speed merchant pegs, Speed Gold, or I forget what this model's called. I will post up a link to it down in the description below. This episode is brought to you guys in part by Get Lowered Cycles. You guys be sure to go check them out. Tell them Blockhead sent you. All right, let's go ahead and get these Speed Merchant speed pegs installed. All right, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be needing this tool right here. I will link to this tool down in the description below. If you guys are thinking about changing out your pegs, do not even attempt it without this thing. I've tried it before, and you end up losing the pieces that you need to secure the pegs. They usually do come with different end pieces. They're called snap ring pliers. Yeah, I picked up this set at AutoZone, but you can usually find, better pairs. They've done me okay. I mean, I've been able to utilize them, although I did have to kind of file down the edges. But like I said, I will drop links to everything that I'm using. So the pegs, the tools, in the description down below. So on that note, what we need to do is remove the stock pegs. To do that, we're gonna need to get this little retaining ring off right here. So as you can see, that piece looks like that. Press these pieces in, get lower. Not working as planned. I'm gonna try different ones. All right, check it out. So that's how that works. Basically grip them in, press in, and it expands it. Set that to the side. And you're just gonna press this through. There it is, under tension from the spring. Put that spring back. There you go, that's the peg removed. You're gonna use the stock hardware again. So basically just replacing this part. There you go. Looks like the angle of these is adjustable as well via that hex bolt. So there's a space, little pin right there, a little pinhole for the spring. Goes in just like that. Line it up with that hole. All right, so we have the pin back in, the spring back in, which works. It's tension, holds it down. The pin is through, press all the way in, and then we just have to use the snap ring pliers again on this piece. Hold it back open and put it back on. There you go. New peg installed. And it nicely kind of matches the grip. Yeah, not bad, right? All right. All right, now for the other side. Bam. Same thing on the other side. Pretty much the same exact thing, just obviously reverse. So, clevis pin's on. So the pin's back in, the spring's back in, the retaining ring is on, and they snap back to place. That's it. Easy stuff. So if you guys are wanting to do the same, I will provide links down in the description below. So this is how to change out the foot pegs on a Harley-Davidson Softail. It is going to be similar across a bunch of other Harleys. Now the retaining rings on a few other models, such as the Sportsters, they don't look quite the same. They look like this. They're gonna look like those ones right there. So a little bit different, a little more difficult to work with, but still pretty much the same thing. You're gonna need the snap ring pliers. Like I said, if you guys are interested, I will provide the links to the foot pegs, to the snap ring pliers, hell, to the magnetic ball even. Everything I used here in this video. That's pretty much it. Easy install, makes a hell of a difference. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed already, hit subscribe. Hit that bell icon also so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Until next time, you guys, ride safe, stay vigilant. Catch you on the next one. Deuces.